our Mistral-Air Patient Warmer today. This is a brilliant product. It goes out the door in winter and in summer. It's all about keeping our patients warm, especially around surgery time and anaesthetic time, but not just that time, but also for our critically ill patients. It's really easy to use. We sell a package that comes with the machine and 3 patient blankets, a small, a medium and a large. 3 is to hook up. Inside of our patient warming blanket there's a bottom side which actually has a lining in it to help push air through the little pores in the actual fabric in the top. So you'll see that working as I turn it on. When we turn this on, it'll always come up. Default setting is 38 degrees. You've got 4 settings here, temperature-wise, 43, 38 and 32. And the bottom one there is just the ambient air temperature. So once you actually started it up, it takes 10-20 seconds or so just to fire up and start filling up your patient warming blanket here. Now these temperatures are the air that is going to be within the actual blanket itself. So if you've got quite a cool patient, you're probably going to want to keep it at the higher of those, the 43 degree mark, until you start getting their core body temperature back to where you want it to be. This is Marguerite, who's our demonstrator dog. She's fairly light, so most patients though that are more dense, you'll see they'll actually sag down into the blanket more. So it's not necessarily an airbed as such, but what you're trying to do is create like a microclimate of warm air around the actual patient. So they'll actually sink down into the middle of this a little bit more, because you'll have this little area of hot air, zone of hot air just maintained all around the dog, around the patient to keep them, try and keep them warm. A really nice little unit. I just want to show you a couple of features of it. It's very light. On the back here you can see you've got a clamp here that you can take that off and attach that to your IV pole stand, so give that more mobility. So where you've got your IV pump, for instance, you can put that on there. You've got a number of alarms over here just telling you what to do regarding temperature, service intervals, and change filter. And you've got another one over here which just deactivates the alarm noise. Really simple to use. All you're doing is up and down to change the actual setting for the temperature that you're after. It flashes while it's still building to that temperature. Once it gets to that temperature, you'll see a steady LED green on here. So really useful piece of kit. We do sell cage connectors as well, which allows you to attach this section here onto the actual cage and then have this blanket attached within the cage to the connector, so you can have the door completely shut, so you can maintain that heating ability post-surgery, or if you've got critically care medical cases as well. Right, so it's the Mistral-Air Patient Warmer, and it is a really good product and plenty of people will swear by this. Okay, thanks and bye.